and they lost, and they play good, do you think the supporters will be unhappy? No, I know Ghanaians. When you play good football, they will applaud you. But this is a case where the game is not coming, and you don't see anything in them that they want to win. But now this is what, because my philosophy is wanting to win, not I win. I win is for them. Me wanting to win will urge you to be playing until you win. What I say. So we know the problem, and we let them know the problem. So when they go to the front, we might see some changes. And because we started yesterday and we are going to still talk to them, because the expectation now is to come back to the top. And it's not impossible, but difficult. But it's not impossible. It's difficult, but it's not impossible. Why? Because of the previous games they played, they didn't play well. I was here when they played with him. I told Kwesi, if this is the way you play dreams, you can move. But at that time, I didn't know that something will come for me to come on. Dreams. Yes, when I was telling them I'm leaving, they say, hey, coach, they say, I wish I won't. You see, so this, what you ask, you have to help us to let them understand we needed nothing apart from winning. So that the winning would take, you see, when I go to play tournaments, sometimes you people talk, and family, one will be our qualifier with good football. You qualify with results. Remember, go back to when I won the I heard there was a time I opened the radio. I called my wife, and she was looking. Why? And I was zagging, and so what? Let them zagging. When I bring the cup, they will talk. So when I brought the cup, I also give it to you. And so what? You understand? So I think when I bring the cup, they now is to win and come back to the top. And it's not impossible, but very difficult, but not impossible.
Right.
Yes.
The question here, what the fact Kotoko at the dying moment pressure in one casa in one can see me free. And when you look at the first two games as a coach, what the first team with a one him or first one against Adriana on Sunday, the next one had to put who rat players to one annual within Goma. How do you cite them? Say waiting ya can be amanato or Makoma so I be you on free tipiano woman. Everyone motivation on about these two.
Okay, I told them, it's not, if you are a bad player, you will never join Kotoko. You came to join Kotoko upon the recommendation of the coach. Who tells me, nobody here will tell me, Ogundam no good players. He has his problems, he has his good side. I have my good side too, I have my bad side. But doing a good player depends upon the opposite. So now, I'm in at a time when it's not about what you have to use what you have to get what you wanted. What I say. And I have to set this out, I have to let them know why we are all here. Is to win. So we've started talking to them, the 18 points project. So we've started 18, yes, I'm going now, 18, but it's not impossible. What I say. So me Casano, so now me here no training.
Tell you what's up, no good in John, you're on food, I cry about Charlie. I tell you what's up, enjoy the ride.
Game analysis, me call Germany, because you had to 3 months. Or see, there will be an element of luck. In Germany, I'm sure you, as some with the America. And now also an element of the enemies of the game and parasite. And we are fun to check. I can do everything to get a goal. But go number, but go luck. When Ganu, sometimes you talk about luck. But here in Ghana, I don't know. Anyway, it depends on what you mean by luck. Because when you go into the book, it tells you something different from what you are talking about. But I say, so I want people to see the difference between and in there. You know, the intensity of their game is not there. The attitude is not there. So now I don't know whether you saw Dreams FC in the first round. Did you see the dreams in the second round? You see different attitude. What I say. So this is all what you can do to help the club, and we are doing it both physically and maybe so as a
Okay.
Come back. Hey,
Coach, good morning.
good morning.
I know it's a short time, but you have the full complement of your technical team, and then will you make an addition to your technical setup?
It is only Ghana. You take 7 technical team, and then so for in other countries I visited or I went to learn. Most of my learning is from Europe. So most of my learning from Europe. About 11 times I've been to Europe to learn. So I go there on tournament. After the tournament, I'll stay there to learn and then come back. Exactly after this, I'm going to also apply for another coach to be added to me. So I always want to see, when I turn my right, what I do is, I'll make a certain changes, then I go back. I've already made in my mind, but I have to give them the necessary, so person may change. Then I go back, they put their heads together, and they come back to me. And if I see what they say, it makes sense, I'll do it. In coaching, any coach who tells you that I'm trying to take the word interference out of coaching. I defended it in front of Professor Mintam, and he agreed. I said, no. Why interference? You are in your house. You don't have a job to do as a coach. Somebody come to employ you. Now I'm signing money. I'm talking about money. They are giving it to me. But I'm in job before they come. So it's not out in my house. Then at the end of the day, gone are the days when Spencer, Alan Jima, they only give money and wait to see the result. But today, I will tell you, most of the CEOs are knowledgeable in football. They even attended Lancity. So when a coach, you are in your house, a CEO calls you, this is Martin, come and coach Martin for me. Then you put Z2 number 2, and he said, why don't you rather use Prince, not Z2? Then you turn around to say interference. You have to find another way. Now go back to the ethics of coaching. A coach should be an open and inquiry-minded person. What does that mean? So when you tell me somebody's interference is out, you understand me? So I think we have to plan after this section. I'm going to put before them another half, going to come out of another. He's a legend, he's a very good coach. Studied here, studied abroad to come and join us. Thank you very much.
Last one for Coach Zito.
Coach, Michael Asari is 40 FM.
Sporty. Let's say, we should move power.
Yeah, Coach. You are in between the rock and the hard place, meaning your position now is undesirable, looking at the situation from now this year. I want to understand something. You were previously engaged as a technical director, and now you have to fill in as a coach. How do you think you should be assessed at the end of the season? That is one. And
Let him answer, and then I'll give you the chance.
I should be assessed not a technical director now, but rather a coach. Let's be honest. Because I'm not going to sit down. Now I'm going to the front, giving instructions. But when I'm a technical director, I only talk to the coach. We discuss his issue, then we implement it where we find it good. But now, it's not so. It's different altogether. And I have an advisor. And my advisor is my own father, Malik Jabbar.
Okay, for the
so the follow-up related to Malik Jabbar and the role he will play in ensuring that you become successful. He was already in the ship. You have just joined the ship. How much role do you think is going to play in the lead up to the end of the season?
Well, he played also, and then he won the cup. I also won the cup, so 1-1. Then he coached me. That one, 2-1. Now, me coming in as a technical director, and he is my advisor.
Playing for your country, easy. Scoring, easy. Avoiding injuries, easy. Winning, easy. But you know what be easy now? Keep 4 in 1 Gary mix.
He had the knowledge than the technical director. because he's above that position. And I'm now in, even though I was once a technical director of James FC, and I'm still low. But now I'm technical director to Asante Kotoko. And if things get this thing, he's always with us. Yesterday we had a training together. And let him tell you, now Malik feel comfortable with me more than any other one because I'm his boy. Thank you.
Right. Questions for Coach Yawusu?
Hey, Yawusu.
Questions for Coach Yawusu?
Yeah.
Coach, yes, a few.
Yeah, what if
Coach, I did come blanks in some party. Coach, yesterday I was at the training grounds and I saw the way you conducted your first training. You were doing a lot of rounds. Is it you know already that the boys, their energy has dropped because especially head coach, he was on top of Muhammad Kamara, which is the goalkeeper. So I want to know, you have a fair idea of the team now you are coming to take over as a coach, especially you, the way you were bending down, doing everything with them.
Yeah, I think when they play against Lions, Lacroix, yeah, I was in the stands. I watched it myself, and I saw the first half how it went, and then the second half as well. So I knew exactly where we should start from, and then who I should keep my eye on, because I saw their individual performances. So I knew to watch some guys, and then after that, I went back to him and reported to him, hey, they were saying this guy is down. My friend, he doesn't look that bad. We can top it up in just maybe 2 training sessions. So this was something I was doing yesterday. So as you said, I know them already. Thank you.
Okay. Coach Abi Mohammed, Fache TV. My question, among the 3 on the table, we didn't who answers the question.
No,
it's 2. Assistant coach in the question, but in the meantime, yes. In the meantime, interim and our assistant coach, as will be our assistant coach to an interim manager. Only doubt it will say maybe after the 6-7 games, new coach ever be another assistant coach maybe ever me. How do you put all these things together to concentrate and have full mind or the way you want?
Just to clarify, he's not an interim assistant coach.
Yes, I know.
Yes, he's the assistant coach of it.
That's what I'm saying. He said, yeah, we not the interim coach anymore.
The interim coach is the technical director of it.
I get it.
Yes, so that question really can't hold.
So Abib, I'll save it there.
Whoever comes in will make the structure of the club and he will work with it. He's a substantive assistant coach. Period.
Okay, that's fine.
And look, I'm now going to write the team philosophy and leave it down for them. I think we have to work on that. Dreams have philosophy. And if now you see me going around, only I did not go against Heart of Life and Mediama. The rest I'm on the bench. Because the philosophy is there, they go through. Yesterday I asked lawyer, the club don't have philosophy. So you have to fall on the old coach or you have to use your experience. So what else here? So we leave it down, anybody who comes and can take it.
Michael.
So, Coach, your body of work reveals strengths where clubs that prioritize youth development, Tema Youth, Inter Allies. Now, Kotoko have started a youth project. I know Coach Sito has mentioned that he's going to throw up a philosophy. Where do you think you'll be more responsible to Asante Kotoko in this new phase? Youth development or just limiting yourself to assistant?
Yeah, I think if you see my CV, you see what I've done and what I'm used to, and what I can do as well. It's not a problem being an assistant coach and thinking about this, the main team itself. The other ones will come in maybe on my part-times. Right now, my focus is on the main team as well. So when we're done and they assign me to any of the other one, hey, I'm ready to do it. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done, they assign me to any other one. Hey, I'm ready to go. And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Zitu, darling.
And whilst I'm here, I will not just like. So when we're done,
What's wrong, Kai?
they assign me to any other.
Okay. She say what about?
Hey, I'm ready to go.
Said, I won't allow where I belong to decide the fate of what belongs to me. That was last 2 seasons ago. Then I played Kotoko draw here. Then before then I beat Eduana. It was after I beat Eduana and I said that because I knew against Kotoko and Dreams, everybody would say Dreams go to a relegation. So I fought my fought over there. Before I meet Kotoko, I have already qualified. I escaped relegation. So what I say? So
I want to know which, or what, philosophy.
okay, it depends on now. Say your car philosophy, you look at the team. When take it from time. Maybe one who's an border, but what team? What I say. And those who, when the DNA of Ghana was to be written, All of us were invited. So we said what to know about Ghana football. Because my ball against Kotoko, my ball against Maliku, Sunday, Lawal, these were it's our first one, we had two, NHL first school, and I'm share two. I was then very young in school. So Sunday called me and I said, hey, Munjila Barin, that they've heard of me, I'm very stubborn. You see, I never even, after the match, I went to the car, I was looking at them like this, because I was Kotoko. What I say, and you know, yeah, philosophy now, we all sit down and we see, yeah, Ben and I, Kotoko, was why, adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So we adopt that. Wow. Now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So it means every coach was why adding, what do you call it? I say adding beauty to goal scoring. So like we adopt that. I don't need now, your philosophy now, we all see that. And we see me margarine. So yes, Obisam said, okay, Obisam said, I didn't tell you to know back Afusa. Then I told him, no, they are going to be it. They say, make it fast. You don't try to. I was with you in the bus. So please, he's not talking to me as president of Ghana football. He's talking to me as Nakola and your new appointment. And he's making sure that it goes well. So now, when this one, they were contemplating on the other one. You see my point. So, if at the end of the day, one thing you people don't know, when you go out and spend more, when you are some you feel them $2,000. Now you are wanting them $3,000. Make them feel $2,000. Honestly. So it is that, and I'm pay me peace. What I say. So it's not easy for you to travel and you are going with your wife, you are going to Chile. Look at what is happening to Abela. Abela has to live here. The children are schooling here. But he has to live. He has going to start another life somewhere. So this is how it is. And I say, my offer. Yes, offer, open metro. Sika meji na ebi kura in pounds. African team. Kasi pao. But I want peace. Let me make kakra.
Okay, so that is it.
Enjoy of you.
First answer.
Coach, a very Ricardo, we had more Fache team.
Fache. They were not the chairman there. Let me tell you, iPad. Port way.
I'm pushing my masses here. Coach, I say, who assistant coach you are? Who didn't come about what the another assistant coach you are? Previous coach, had 2 assistant video analysts, 2 assistant coaches, not a single physical trainer never. And there be a level buffer. Many legends, media didn't go, they show consensus and one waffle. But I mean, things that will come physical trainers.
Yeah, Fabio Noah. Just yesterday.
So that's all. Last one, and we are down, coach.
Okay, coach.
Hey, maybe.
Coach, I'm working from GFM.
I mean, that's really the last for the coach.
Coach. Very quick one about the appointment yesterday. One thing I read from your page was, how did you believe Dreams FC is able to come to Kotoko? Are you not having contact with Dreams? Like, how did it happen just like in the space of 2 days?
Okay. I think somebody built me as a coach. Somebody advised me to be a coach, and that is Coach Sunday. We happen to be the same person. He advised me to be a coach because of when I was playing, my technical this thing. So I started building Domo. I did all the difficult work, and we are now repeating issues. I say repetition brings automation. Automation brings perfection. So the moment we are in now is for perfection. Playing 5 matches without rules. It's not easy. The team has never done it before. You understand me? So when these offers came, remember CK was first, and Ashgold said they want CK. We allowed CK to go, and I took over to qualify the team. So it's like, for now, my interest first. Even though the Dreams where we are only trying to save ourselves from relegation, and we need only 1 month to clarify that. Now,
does it mean you don't sign contracts at Dreams? You just speak when you wish.
I sign contract, and I don't follow the contract. Dream is for me. Me, I don't follow. I can sign today, leave today, and come back tomorrow. You understand me? So they are showing concern. Ask him. He is talking with Dreams FC. Not the negative, positive way how we are going to achieve. What Matthias here. So for Dreams, it's like me media, metima bande, me contract crowd. I've never read contract of Dreams FC. Media ali se busuma mami allowance. Or mami afa. Mitimi ukra enfano. Because hoya media. Oh, nimse hoya media. So why are you worried about?
Okay.
Right, coach. Last one from me. Namia Asante. Very difficult game against the supporters. More their message and our game for Sunday game especially.
Okay. Coaches come and go. Players come and go. Asante Kotoko is there. It's for us. What I say? It's not only I play Kotoko. Papa has, mommy has. 95% of my family, me mommy knew has. Me did tip because Kotoko time na no. So I've named my children according to where I was before I born them. So he is Kotoko, but he is Sasofo. So Omura, Tim Nunya dia, and Yami dia, even na your cabum there, they should come. I don't know, a chance with Mui, Oma with them, and a bebaso. So when the old giants are, it is all writing, please. Uko Europe now, Uko African Arab from now, almost give you crowd. You better go as a one actually, because of the love they have for God. And I also say, Omuye reluctant to come and watch game. You understand me? They should come. Under 70, we may from many under 70 2018. Niger and Cote d'Ivoire share my first goal. When Cote d'Ivoire almost share my first goal, and I made damage. And the supporters were supporters. We ended winning 2-1.